The Auto SafeShop Trusted Site Badge is more than just a badge. It serves as verification to your customers that your website is safe, secure, and protected. Visitors to your online store can confirm your various certifications by expanding the SafeShop badge to review the site security features. Auto SafeShop lists and verifies your site with the following protections. Credit card protection, to shield user credit card information from exposure to scammers. Secure login, blocking interception of username, passwords, and other credentials by bad actors. PII protection. Auto SafeShop defends your customers' personally identifiable information from poaching by fraudsters in efforts to steal their identity. And lastly, verified encryption. We certify that your site uses industry-standard security protocols to protect all communications, all of which helps your customers shop more confidently with you.